Presets are great for saving effects you want to use on multiple clips. I will show you how to make your own presets. First, you select a clip in the timeline, then you double click on an effect in the effects panel. You can also drag the effect to the clip or to the effects controls panel. After making your adjustments, right click on the effect and choose Save Preset. If you want to save multiple effects in the same preset, just hold down Command and then left click on every effect you want to add. Then right click and Save Preset. There are a couple of options here and I will illustrate the difference on each one of them. Scale will stretch the effect to match the clip, which is great if you just want to add a solid static effect that will act the same way through the whole clip. If you are using keyframes and choosing scale, the distance between the keyframes will be adjusted and therefore also the speed on the effect. If you choose anchor to in point, the effect will start at the beginning of the clip. If you choose anchor to out point, the effect will end at the end of the clip. So if you are choosing one of these, the length of the effect will always be the same, no matter the length of the actual clip. I also have another tutorial showing you how you can rename these presets after creating them. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know what you want me to cover in the next video. Stay creative and keep learning.